Healing doesn't always happen in loud moments. Sometimes healing happens in silence, when no one sees the tears, no one hears the prayers, and no one knows the battles you're fighting. But God knows. God sees every hidden wound, every sleepless night, every question you carried in your heart. There are seasons where God will pull you away from distractions, away from noise, away from people who cannot understand the process He is taking you through. It may feel lonely, yes, but it is sacred. Because in that silence, God is rebuilding you. Psalms 46:10 says, "Be still and know that I am God." Stillness is not punishment. Stillness is preparation. When God tells you to be still, He is inviting you into trust. He is asking you to release control and let Him do the healing work only He can do. Some wounds cannot be healed in public. Some pain cannot be explained with words. Some growth happens in private places where only God can reach you. That is why silence can be powerful. In silence, the mask falls off. In silence, truth arises. In silence, God begins to restore what life tried to break. Maybe you've been carrying heartbreak. Maybe rejection made you question your growth, your worth. Maybe disappointment made you wonder if God forgot about you. But here it is today. God has not forgotten you. He is working in places you cannot see. Isaiah 61:3 says, "He gives beauty for ashes, the oil of joy mourning, and the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness." That means what broke you is not the end of your story. God can take every broken piece and create something beautiful. Healing in silence often means letting go. Letting go of old versions of yourself. Letting go of toxic cycles. Letting go of needing validation from people who never saw your value. Letting go of fear that keeps you small. Because while you are healing, God is also transforming you. You are not just recovering, you are becoming. Becoming wiser, becoming stronger, becoming softer in spirit, but stronger in boundaries. Becoming the woman God designed you to be. Proverbs 31 talks about a virtuous woman, clothed with strength and dignity. That woman is not made overnight. She is built through prayers, patience, tears, obedience, and trust in God's timing. Sometimes becoming her means walking alone for a season. Sometimes becoming her means saying no when your old self wanted to say yes. Sometimes becoming her means choosing peace over chaos, healing over habits, and purpose over popularity. Romans 8:28 remind us, "And we know that all things works together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to His purpose." Even the pain is working for you. Even the delay is working for you. Even the silence is working for you. God wastes nothing. The tears you've cried in secret water seeds of strength. The prayers whisper at night open doors you cannot see. The moments you thought you were losing yourself were actually moments God was revealing true identity. You are becoming her through Christ's plan. You are becoming her through God's plan. Not the version shaped by trauma, not the version shaped by rejection, not the version shaped by survival mode, but the version shaped by grace, the version covered in wisdom, the version walking in confidence, the version who knows who she belongs to. 2 Corinthians 5:17 says, "If anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. all things are passed away. Behold, all things become new. You are allowed to outgrow old pain. You are allowed to change. You are allowed to heal. You are allowed to become new. So if God has you in a quiet season right now, don't resist it. Embrace it. This silence is not empty. It is full of divine instruction, hidden healing, and sacred transformation. God is removing what cannot go where He is taking you. He is strengthening what the enemy tried to weaken. He is preparing the woman you prayed to become. One day, people will look at your peace and never know the battles it took to get there. They will see your glow and never know the nights you cry. They will admire your strength and never know how many times God carried you. But you will know. You will know that healing happened in silence with God. So keep praying, keep trusting, keep surrendering, keep becoming, because the woman God promised is already being transformed inside of you. And when the time is right, she will rise. God bless.